Welcome to everybody to Butcher School. Today topic is beauty of tactics in chess and game. This is the position for today's topic. White has a double bishop and 2 pawns, and black has a rook and 2 pawns. And white has a very good passed pawn in e7. But now rook controlling it, and rook is attacking b2 and e8 both the bishop. And one more thing is a rook into that b2 is the with check is killing. In such position white to play and win. How it is possible, let us see. It is contains very beautiful tactics. Now white's bg6 is the mistake, because rook into b2 check. With check he is capturing the bishop. King g3, rook a2, rook behind the passer, e8 queen, rook e8, bishop e8. Now simply king s7 is deadly draw. And even not first move is bishop c6, because again rook into b2 check. If king f3, preventing e2 square, but rb8. That pawn is prevented from there. And now suppose king f4, king f7, attacking that pawn, e8 queen is forced, rook into e8, bishop into e8. Now kg8, not king into e8, because s7 white will win easily with this h pawn queen. So king g8, and this is draw, because rook pawn with wrong bishop is draw, theoretical draw. So now even first move bishop f6, supporting the e pawn also mistake, because rook into e8. If kg3, bringing the king, king f7, attacking the bishop, bg5. Now black can win the game with c4. So first move brilliantly white played here, h7 check. Now black has only move, king into h7. Now first brilliant move came here, bishop e4. See, now even black capturing the bishop with check. Okay, if king g6 instead of that, black played king g6, then e8 equal to queen, rook into queen, bishop into e8, king f5, king f3, easy win for white. White can win with the two bishops. So here bishop a4, black captured rook into b2 with check. Another good move came here, bishop c2. King f3 is the mistake, because simply rook b8, e8 queen, rook into e8, bishop into e8, it is draw. So bishop c2 with check. Important thing is check to the king. Now king move is blunder, because e8 queen and white will win. So rook into c2 check, king f3, or even king f1 also playable, rook c1, king e2, rc2, kd3, rg2, e8 queen is winning. Now he played queen f3, preventing rook to e2 square, and rook cannot go back to back rank, because his own pawn is preventing him. So he played now rook c3 check, try to come to rook behind the passer, but king f4 not possible. Again rook c4 check, try to come to e4, but king f5. not possible because e5 square is guarded by the king. Rook d4, e8 queen, rook d5. This question of time. Easily white can win. King f6, rd6, king f7, ks6, queen f8 check, kg5, king into queen into rook, and completely winning. See here, rook attacking the both the bishop and controlling the 8th rank. King is preventing the h pawn, even though black lost because white played a very brilliant tactics here, endgame tactics. We have to learn such tactics in ending for improving our game.